the perfect song. Make the perfect song, yeah. Me and a heartache, make it sing along. Sing along, sing with me, yeah. I apologize when it was you that was wrong. And still you reject me. How you reject me. And I knew that I shouldn't have called. Girl, shouldn't have called, nah. And I knew better to text it all. Text it out.
Hey guys, Angelic Beauty here, and welcome back to my channel. And this is another episode of my Blonde Ambition episode. So today's video is kind of bittersweet because, guys, this is gonna be the last Blonde Ambition video for me. And as you can see, I decided to go with a short hairstyle. And actually, this hair is the hair that I'm wearing in my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can go check that video out if you want to see this hair again. But now I'm doing the review on it, and guys, I absolutely love this hair. This is a synthetic wig, and it comes with a real hairline part that's already tweezed. And this is the part right here. Where the hell is it? I can't find it. Oh shit. Where the fuck is the part? Oh. And it comes with the hairline part, and this is where it is. It's like right, I could never do this. It's right there, guys. And it's already tweezed. I like it. It's about 2 inches of parting space. In this one, I feel like I don't need to put any powder or anything. I just left it the way it is because it looks realistic to me. So this here at the top, it's like large finger waves, and going towards the back, it's tapered into more smaller waves. And I'll show you the back in a second. So it's like large finger waves in the front, and it tapers to smaller waves going down the back. And it's curling iron safe for up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I mean, I don't see why anyone would curl this hair because it's short and it's already in a style, but whatever. It does have adjustable strap, guys, in the back. You can adjust it to whatever size your head is. And unfortunately, this wig does not come with combs, which I love combs because I feel like it makes the hair feel more secure, but it doesn't come with combs. And the crazy thing about this, it says that it's a lace front, but there's no lace on it, and it didn't come with the lace on it. So I'm confused with that, why it's called a lace front. So, but that's what it says here on the stock card, that it's a lace front hair. And also this wig, when I went on the site, the price of it was $20.16. It was on sale. The original price was $36, I believe. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. That way, if you want to purchase this here, you can click the link and it'll take you right to the site. And also, this is a regular wig. It has no lace on it, even though it says it's a lace front wig. I don't get that. But guys, this hair is really nice. I like the length of it. I like the style of the curls. You can actually, you know, do whatever you want to the curls. Like, you can, however you want to style it, you can style it, but I like mine the way it is. Actually, this is kind of messing up. It's hard to see what I'm doing just looking through the camera here, so I need a mirror to kind of fix this. Yeah, so yeah, guys, the curls are absolutely nice. And what I do notice about this hair, guys, this hair does shed. It doesn't shed that much because it is short hair, but it does shed. And like I said in my previous videos, I feel like blonde hair always shed. I'm not sure why, but it does, because this one does shed. And it's a little bit frizzy. I just use a little bit of hairspray on the top just to keep the frizz down. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back, what the back look like. And guys, I hope that my kitchen is covered, because in my Valentine's Day tutorial, when I went back and looked at the video, like all you saw was black hair hanging out the back. And I was so mad. That's why I decided to actually review this hair, because I felt like I wanted you guys to see it the right way. So I'm gonna turn around and show you guys the back. So this is what the back of the hair looks like. And I hope you guys can't see my hair hanging out the back of it. I think I have it layered down. Okay, that's what the back looked like. And this is the side of the hair. I mean, the side of it has these two long parts there. You can cut it off if you don't like it, or you can put it behind your ear. I decided to leave it because my hair is not really done underneath, and I know my hair will be sticking out. And I'm going to show you the other side. And this is what it looks like on the side. This hair, this is a really nice everyday wig. I would even wear the blonde during the day. Like, I love this wig. It looks so natural. It looked like it could be your own hair, like in black or whatever. But it looks like it could be your natural hair. And I like the fact that you can do whatever, like if you want to just maybe put some gel on the hair and just, you know, flatten it down, or you can puff the curls up, make it look a little bit more edgy. I just absolutely love this wig, guys. Like I said, this is my favorite one out of the whole blonde hair series. And oh yeah, did you guys see how it's tapered in the back, the waves, and it's more big at the front? So I really love this hair, guys. And I think I'm gonna get this in the color 1B, because then I would wear that every day. I can wear that to work, because summertime is coming and I really don't want to wear long hair in the summer because it irritates my skin. I hate having hair in my face and everything. So yeah, guys, this wig is really nice. It can be sophisticated. You can dress this hair up, or you can dress it down. You can wear it with casual look, or you can, you know, go out to the club with this hair. I really love it. And I love blonde hair, guys, so yeah. But guys, I hope you guys like this hair. I'll leave all the links in the description, and I feel like I'm leaving something out. Oh yeah, guys, it comes in many different colors, so this is not the only color or the 1B. It has many different colors. The one that the model is wearing, it's kind of like a purple color. So it's the one that's on the stock card. It's NDX Blueberry, so it's like a bluish purple color. So you guys can, so you guys can definitely check that out if you like. But yeah, my lashes are falling off. Okay guys, so I think I told you everything needed to be told about this hair. I'm gonna make this video short because I have a few other videos that I'm working on. So guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you guys can get them right away. So thank you for showing me love. So guys, please go and hit that subscribe button. I'm waiting. I'll wait. So please go and hit that subscribe button because I'm trying to get my subscriber count up, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.
You, and you make me feel like the something that I shouldn't do. Broke ass nigga, you's a broke ass nigga. Shouldn't feel broken by broke ass nigga. Fuck ass nigga, you's a fuck ass nigga. Shouldn't feel fucked up by fuck ass nigga. I can't help it. You could have nothing and I still want ya, cause that don't change shit. Nah, nah. And I knew that I shouldn't have called. And I knew better to text it off. Nah, nah, nah. I still did it, yes I did. And now I feel like I ain't shit. I'm lucky I didn't have a kid, yeah. When I leave this earth, somebody's gonna care, and you make me feel you won't hurt like you would in heaven. You know what makes this much worse is I still care about you, and you make me feel like there's something that I shouldn't do. Someday when I leave this earth, somebody's gonna care, and you make me feel you won't hurt like you don't care. You know what makes this much worse is I still care about you, and you make me feel like there's something that I shouldn't do. Hey, hey, something that